Today we dive into the wild and uncover the stories behind the world's most dangerous animals. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the jungle, we'll encounter creatures with killer instincts honed over millennia. Join me as we explore why these creatures are feared by many and the dangers they pose. This isn't about fear-mongering, though. It's about understanding and respecting the power of nature. Remember, knowledge is your best defense in the wild. Our first encounter takes us to the crystal-clear waters of Australia, home to the box jellyfish. This isn't your average beach nuisance. This gelatinous hunter is armed with millions of stinging cells, each containing a venom so potent it can stop a human heart within minutes. Imagine swimming in paradise, a brush of something against your skin, and then, wham! Excruciating pain surges through your body. The venom attacks not just your skin but your nervous system, your heart. It's a race against time to get help, and even then survival is a toss-up. We're heading inland now, to the murky rivers and swamps where the saltwater crocodile reigns supreme. This is a creature straight out of prehistoric times, a cold-blooded killing machine with a bite force stronger than any other animal on Earth. They lie in wait beneath the surface, their eyes like black marbles scanning for any sign of weakness. And when they strike, it's with lightning speed and brutal force. These aren't fussy eaters either. Fish, birds, wild boar, anything that ventures too close becomes a potential meal. Don't let its size fool you. This golf ball-sized cephalopod packs a punch deadlier than most sharks. The blue-ringed octopus might be small, but its venom is nothing short of terrifying. One bite, and you're in serious trouble. Paralysis sets in rapidly, followed by respiratory failure. And the scary part? There's no anti-venom. Your only hope is immediate medical attention and a whole lot of luck. Found in tide pools and coral reefs, this little creature is a stark reminder that even the smallest predators can be the deadliest. They say an elephant never forgets, but they also never forgive, especially when it comes to protecting their young. We're talking about the African elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth. These gentle giants are awe-inspiring to watch, but cross them and you'll face their wrath. During the mating season, male elephants experience must, a hormonal surge that turns them incredibly aggressive. They become unpredictable, dangerous, and capable of inflicting massive damage with their tusks and powerful legs. The African savanna is a dangerous place, and few animals embody that danger quite like the Cape buffalo. Known as the Black Death, these massive bovids are unpredictable and incredibly strong. They're responsible for more human fatalities on the African continent than any other large animal. Imagine a tank with a bad temper. That's the Cape buffalo. They're notorious for their charges, often without warning, and their sharp horns can inflict devastating injuries. As we venture into the frozen wastelands of the Arctic, we encounter the apex predator of the north, the polar bear. This magnificent creature is perfectly adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. But climate change is pushing these bears further south, increasing the chances of human encounters. And trust me, you don't want to be caught off guard by a hungry polar bear. They're incredibly strong, with a keen sense of smell and the ability to swim for miles. Hidden beneath the waves lies a creature so deadly its venom has been described as pharmaceutical gold. The cone snail might look harmless, but its harpoon-like tooth delivers a cocktail of toxins that can paralyze and kill in a matter of hours. There's no known anti-venom, making a sting from a cone snail a medical emergency. Researchers are studying their venom for potential medical breakthroughs, but for now, it's best to admire these creatures from a safe distance. No list of dangerous creatures would be complete without the ocean's most infamous predator, the great white shark. These majestic creatures have instilled fear in the hearts of sailors and beachgoers for centuries. But the truth is, attacks on humans are relatively rare. Great whites are curious creatures, and most bites are exploratory, not predatory. That being said, they are powerful animals with rows of razor-sharp teeth, so it's best to admire them from the safety of a boat or a very sturdy cage. Venturing into the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, we encounter the king cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world. This is a creature that commands respect, even fear. Its venom is incredibly potent, capable of delivering a fatal dose in a single bite. But what makes the king cobra truly terrifying is its ability to deliver multiple bites in quick succession. If you're unlucky enough to be on the receiving end of its fangs, you're in for a world of hurt. Don't let their herbivorous diet fool you. Hippopotamuses are one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. These massive creatures are fiercely territorial, especially when it comes to defending their stretch of river. They might look slow and cumbersome, but they can outrun a human on land and are surprisingly agile in the water. And those teeth? They're not just for show. Hippos have been known to bite crocodiles in half. You definitely don't want to get on their bad side. That was quite a journey, wasn't it? From venomous jellyfish to territorial hippos, we've encountered some of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. But remember, these animals aren't inherently evil. They're simply trying to survive in a world where they're often threatened by humans. The key takeaway here is respect. Respect for wildlife means understanding the dangers they pose and maintaining a safe distance.